Start. If a government employee has served partly in capacity which would have given him claim to pension if the service had been paid from the government revenues on the household establishment of the governor and partly on establishments paid from the government revenues, he is entitled from government revenues to a share of any pension to which he would have been entitled if his whole service had been paid from the government revenues proportionate to the length of the service which has been so paid. Stop. In the case of an officer retiring on or after 5th January 1961, stop. If he was holding substantively a permanent post on the date of his retirement, his temporary or officiating service under the state government followed without interruption by confirmation in the same or another post shall count in full as qualifying service except in respect of period of temporary or officiating service in non-pensionable establishment. Stop. Period of service paid from contingencies. Stop. In the case of purely temporary central government employee who is permanently transferred to Haryana government and becomes subject to these rules, the term continuous temporary service includes the temporary service under the central government. Stop. The pensionary liability in respect of such cases shall be allocated on the length of service. Stop. In respect of temporary employee of the following categories who render service under the central state governments prior to securing posts under the central state governments on their own violation in response to advertisements or circulars, including those by Union/State Public Service Commission, and who are eventually confirmed in their new post, the proportionate pensionary liability in respect of temporary service rendered under the central/state/ governments to the extent such service would have qualified for grant of pension under the rules of the respective government will be shared by the concerned governments on a service share basis. Stop. Those who, having been retrenched from the service of central/state governments, secured on their own employment under state/central government, either with or without interruption between the date of retrenchment and date of new appointment. Stop. Where an employee in category is required for retrenchments, reasons for satisfying technical requirement to tender resignation from the temporary post held by him before joining the new appointment, a certificate to the effect that such resignation had been tendered for administrative reasons and or to satisfy and technical requirement to join with proper permission, the new post may be issued by the authority accepting the resignation staff.